Okay, this is a short video on how to fix your door by putting a new bushing for this striker. See, there's nothing left here, so the door is kind of loose. When you close it, kind of loose. So I'm gonna use this PEX tubing. It's a ½ inch by 5 feet. I got this for about $3 at Home Depot. So I'm going to cut it to fit that. I'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, so to remove the striker, this is on a Ford F-150 1993. It's a 5 liter. So you gotta use the T50 Torx bit because it fits here. There we go. So you need a T50 to remove this. Okay. I got mine at Lowe's for about $6. Okay, so here's the striker. Just took it off. So what I'm going to do is put the PEX tubing that I just cut off. It's about 1 inch. You got to measure it out, and then put that in there. And it's really hard to push down. So I found that if I use this wrench, okay, here, 12 millimeter. Put it right in there, and I'll just use a hammer and hammer it in. Okay, let's hammer this baby in. Just a little bit more. Oh, that's pretty much it. Then screw it in. Okay, now you just tighten it up. One more. Good. Now let's try it. Oh, it's tight. Very tight. Oh, even tighter. Nice. That's it, guys. Just want to give back to the community. I learned a lot from you guys. I seen this somebody told on a comment, so I just decided to do a video on it. Okay.